Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Put your Xbox into developer mode and ensure your PC can create bootable USB media. Once done, back up personal files from the console because the process can wipe storage. Make sure you have a 16 plus GB USB drive and a valid Windows license. You need the ISO and a tool to write it. Connect Ethernet for stable transfers and verify power settings so neither device sleeps during setup. Now create the bootable USB on your PC and label it clearly for the Xbox. You now create the boot environment and start installation. On your PC, write the Windows ISO to the USB with Rufus, picking GPT and UEFI to match Xbox firmware. Include drivers if available. Once the USB is ready, change developer mode options to allow USB boot and, if needed, disable secure boot. Plug the USB into the Xbox, power on into the USB boot menu, and follow the Windows installer prompts. Choose Custom Install, select the console drive or external target, and finish by installing drivers and validating system stability. After first Windows boot, connect to the network, run Windows Update, and install any platform-specific drivers so controllers and audio work. Make sure device managers show no errors and test performance. If something goes wrong, reboot into USB and check that the USB was created with correct partitioning and UEFI flags. Retoggle developer mode options, or restore from your backup. Keep your license and recovery media ready so you can revert to the original Xbox state if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.